Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the keyboard you'll customize. This is essential. Open Settings and confirm your Android version and keyboard app are compatible, then install or update the app from Google Play. Once done, go to Languages and Input, tap Virtual Keyboard, and enable the new keyboard. Make sure to set it as the default input method so changes apply system-wide. This initial step avoids conflicts later and guarantees you can preview every customization in real time. Now you'll tailor how you type. Open the keyboard app settings and pick a layout that matches your hand posture, such as QWERTY, thumb, or one-handed. Then adjust key size and row height so accuracy improves. Smaller keys increase speed but may reduce precision. Configure long press characters for accented letters and set gesture or swipe typing if you prefer sliding between keys. Also tune autocorrect and punctuation shortcuts so predictive text helps rather than hinders your flow. Finish by making the keyboard visually and functionally yours. Apply a theme or create a custom color and font scheme, adjusting key borders and transparency so contrast stays readable. Next, add text shortcuts and clipboard snippets for frequent phrases, and map emojis or symbols to long presses for faster access. Once satisfied, back up your settings to the app's cloud or your account so you don't lose them. If something breaks, clear the keyboard cache or reinstall the app. That often resolves sync or display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.